Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I am Deaunna Jonae, if you did not know. In today's video, I will be showing you how to style your twist out, whether it turned out good or if it was a twist out fail, okay? All you need for this video is to have some type of texture going on in your hair. So I have a old twist out, okay? And I still have lots and lots of texture in mine. So I'm gonna show y'all how to style it. I interrupt this show to tell you all you will need these other items: scrunchies, bobby pins, a comb or a brush, gel, headbands and scarves, and other hair accessories. Thank you. So for starters, let's just go ahead and start out with the high puff, okay? Right now, my hair is loosely in a ponytail with a scarf wrapped around it. If you ever have a failed hairstyle, or if your twist out is good, or you know you just had it for a long time, throw a scarf on, throw a headband on, go out the door, okay? So my head is not even slicked up, it's just in a loose ponytail. I'll do a 360. Okay, and of course I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. So let me just snatch that off. All right, so here we are with my twist out. So you should have already watched my mini twist video, so by the time you see this, the mini twist video will already be out. So this is what my twist out looks like. Still looks pretty good. So all you're gonna do is pull up your hair, gather it all together, and put your scrunchie on it one time. Okay, that's it. Now take your scarf and wrap it around the back like that. And now you're going to take these ends and just twist. And just keep twisting them. So now that you've twisted that, hold one down and just twist it across to make it look cute in the front. Tuck it in. Take the other side. Cross it. And tuck it in. Now take your puff, just kind of shape it, pull it out. And there you have it. Other things you can also do to your high puff is add a twist or add a braid. What I'm going to do is take this down. I'm just gonna pull out some pieces in the front. Yeah, like that. So I pulled my pieces out. I left some of the hair up right here so that we can have a space in between here. Pull that back up. Okay, and then right here, you're just gonna add your twist back. Now that we have these two twists in the front, all you have to do is add some accessories. So now my accessories are on, and that just added an extra pop to the style. And now of course I haven't slicked my hair or did any edges yet, but this is the part where you can either leave it like this, slick your edges, or add a headband. So I'm gonna do that, and there you have it. The next thing that I want to do is incorporate a bang, okay? I'm talking about incorporate. Why I'm trying to talk like that? You're just gonna section out like a little front part of your hair, okay? Now if your hair is super long, this probably wouldn't work for you, but this is gonna be my bang. For the back, you literally can do like anything. You can do 1 puff, 2 puffs, you can do half up, half down, you can do nothing and do a headband. I don't know how many I just named. That's 4 different hairstyles with a bang. So I'm gonna just show y'all what it looks like. For this first style, we're going to leave all of our hair down. I just hold my hair back while I put the headband on to fix it how I like it, and then I release my bang. So this is what it looks like with the headband and all of the hair down. But as you can see, my bangs are a little long. So here is a hack that I seen somebody do. Get you some bobby pins. Basically what you're doing is making your hair appear to be shorter. So we're gonna take these bobby pins and pin right up here so that when it falls back down, it's going to be a bit shorter. And all I did was put those bobby pins on it and pull my headband down some. Moving into the next one, we're going to do 2 puffs. I really love this one because it is so cute. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you're just gonna part your hair down the middle and then put your 2 puffs. I'm using small rubber bands, so I'm only wrapping it around my ponytail 1 time, and that is enough to hold it, because of course if I try to wrap it twice, that little rubber band is going to pop. Using a scrunchie will be better and to give you more security for the whole day. I just use these little rubber bands because that's what I had right beside me. And this is how it looks. Alright, now we're just going to pull our hair up into a high puff. Of course, you would slick your hair up with your gel and your brush and then just put your ponytail in. After putting your ponytail in, you want to pull it out and fluff it out to how you like it. Get your bangs situated, and that's it for this style. Here is where you can spice things up and put on a headband. I chose this really cute yellow one. It doesn't really matter what headband you put on, or even if you want to do a scarf, you just do what you want to do. Have fun with your hair and be cute in your own way. Here is where we're going to do our half up, half down, and you're going to part out your hair from ear to ear. As you can see, I'm not using a comb, just use your fingers because you don't really want to mess up your curls from your twist out. So just separate it where it naturally wants to separate and put your ponytail up there. Now if your hair isn't sitting how you want it to sit, you can take a pick and pick at your roots and just kind of form your hair how you want it to look. I was just pulling mine out so it, wasn't so flat. And this is the final look of the half up, half down with a bang. Okay, now that I showed y'all all of those different variations with bangs, I also want y'all to know the same things that I just did, you can do it without the bangs, okay? So that gives you a whole nother, I don't know how many styles, because I did down, up, 2, and half up, half down. That gives you a whole nother 4 more just without a bang, okay? Last thing that I'm going to show y'all is going to be a mohawk with the twist out. So let's take this down. Okay, now that I have that down, we are going to do 2 different variations of a mohawk, okay? So you can do a side mohawk where literally there's only one side of your head slicked over and all of your hair falls to one side. So you're gonna gel it up on whatever side you want, and I typically let my hair go this way. So let's get some gel and slap it on the side. Okay, I'm not really combing, I'm just kind of smoothing. Just put bobby pins in your hair. Alright, now we're just going to kind of flip the hair a bit and do the other side. Alright y'all, so that is all for this video. Let me know if you liked it and what was your favorite hairstyle. If y'all want me to do more styling videos like this, I can, because as I was doing my hair, I started thinking about more and more hairstyles that I could do. But I'm gonna save it for another video, so y'all show this video some love if you like it, okay? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscriber count is going up, okay? I'm gonna put it on the screen, because once you see what it is on the screen right now in this video, it's gonna be different when you look at what my subscriber count is in actuality whenever you're looking at this video. So go ahead and subscribe. I really appreciate all of the love from everybody. Y'all just don't understand what y'all are doing to me. With that being said, always remember to be beautiful and stay blessed.